Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to customize volume panels into XIAOMI Black Shark 4. First step, go into Play Store and find Volume Styles application. This one. You need installing this application, wait a second for install, and then click open. And now you need to choose your volume panels styles, so maybe like iOS, it will be nice. So choose your styles and then you click start in the top right corner, so click it. Now turn on accessibility for this service and one more time in settings choose downloaded apps, volume styles, and use volume styles, turn on this option, click allow for confirm, and then you see stop button in the top right corner. We got a new volume panel styles like iOS into our XIAOMI Black Shark 4. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.